Hi, I'm Laura and I'm one of the managers here at Gulliver's Valley. The main things to take away from the Marble Run activity workshop are the things that you should consider when you're designing a new ride and attraction. So things like any forces that are at play, the weight of any equipment or your passengers, and then last but not least, the health and safety of all those involved. I think that engineering is important for the world because it plays a part in so many different aspects of our lives that we don't even consider. You would typically think of car manufacturers and kitchen manufacturers, but it also plays such an important part in the leisure side of our life too. For things like theme parks or cinemas, engineers have had a lot to play in all the different aspects of our lives. You can take away quite a lot from the activity, but I think the most important things to take away are the understanding of what goes into designing a ride and also understanding that science and technology and engineering can be used to generate a lot of fun. There's loads of ways that you can explore engineering in a theme park setting, and perhaps the best way to do it would be to visit theme parks like Gulliver's or other theme parks up and down the country and around the world if possible. But if you can't always get to a theme park, there's plenty of videos online that can help grow your passion about theme parks, including theme park YouTubers and engineering videos that show more the engineering side of ride building. Gulliver's has got lots of room for expansion. And not only that, but imminently we have 3 brand new rides going in the next couple of months. And as we speak, there are 3 brand new accommodation blocks going up, which are going to be fitted out to look like mermaid dens.